What's up, snipers? Your crypto sniper here. In this video I will explain you the perfect strategy for find the best entry point in every trade, of course in the perfect time. So we need to combine all these elements and we will apply it on Bybit. So for apply this strategy, first of all you need to sign up on Bybit, create your account. You will find the link below in my description and receive up to $30,000 bonus. So after you have to sign up on Bybit, you will see this dashboard. You will deposit your account. You can do it from here. You can deposit crypto, you can deposit via card or bank transfer or whatever. You can do everything basically. So after you complete this procedure, we go on USDT perpetual and we select the pair that we want to trade. In this case, as usual, I love to trade Bitcoin against USDT. So the strategy here is very simple. First of all, we choose isolated margin. So we just in case you're not an experienced trader, I suggest you to use the isolated margin because you will not gonna burn your account just in case you do some mistakes on setting your stop loss or you forget to set up your stop loss and so on. So we use the isolated margin, and from here we can decide what amount of your account we can use for enter on a trade. I always suggest to use the 50% and never use a higher leverage than 25x. Okay, so this is very quick description on how you must to enter in a trade. Then as you can see, over these candles I also have two indicators. Okay, these two indicators are called MACD and stochastic. How we gonna trade with this indicator? So first of all, we do everything on here on Bybit, because in this strategy that we will make, we will work on the 1 minute scalping strategy, and we need to act very fast, so we don't have the time to switch from TradingView to Bybit and then again from Bybit to TradingView for check the price. Also because on TradingView you will see a very delay, almost 3-second delay I counted from when you receive a signal compared from what the real price on the Bybit chart is. So I suggest you to do everything on here, and we have to add these two indicators. Let's add the first one, that it's called MACD, that it stands for moving average convergence divergence, and basically it looks like we have two moving averages, and this histogram it gives us the volume. Okay, it gives us an idea of the volume. And then we have the stochastic, and you have to remember the settings for these two indicators, because I use different settings from the standard ones. So remember that you need to use the fast length at 20, the slow length at 32, and the signal length at 8. I tell you just in case you when you select this indicator you will have different settings. Okay, so this is what you need to put, 20, 32 and 8. Okay, same things, we need to change something on our stochastic, so it's 20, 4 and 3. Okay, so once again, for the MACD it's 20, 32 and 8, and for the stochastic it's 20, 4 and 3. Okay, now that we had settled our indicators, what is the strategy and how we're gonna enter or exit from a trade? So basically, let's talking about the MACD first. The MACD first, we enter in a trade when we see these two lines that are crossing each other. Okay, the blue line is the moving average and the orange line is the trigger. So if we see the blue line that it's crossing the orange line, which means that we are gonna enter in a long position, and vice versa, if we see the orange line that it cross, like here it cross the blue line, we're gonna enter in a short position. And as you can see, the same thing happened in the chart and in the stochastic, because when we see this blue line, the moving average, and it converging and is crossing the trigger, the orange line, also we see some kind of similar movement on the stochastic. So this is exactly the confirmation that we need for enter in a trade. So in this case, because as you can see, we are here at this point of the chart, right here in this candle we can enter for a long position. Of course, since we are doing 1 minute scalping, of course we cannot expect a risk reward ratio like 1 to 10 risk reward. At least here we can do a 1 to 2, and in other case of flat markets we can do also 1 to 0.5 to 1. Okay, so this will be one trade that we will gonna apply. So and this is one, and we can trade until the next, what we will suppose to be there's resistance. Okay, so we can place a trade like this until this level. Same thing if we want to go for a sell position. Let me bring here another sell position. Okay, as you can see here we had some accumulation, and then Bitcoin is going down, and what we see here on the chart, in the chart we see here exactly the same thing, which means that we saw that the blue line, it tried to spike up but it didn't, and the orange line, it won and positioned up the moving average. And the same things we can see here. We saw that the price in the stochastic, it's tried to go up and then it's going down, and as you can see guys, it's follow, I mean the stochastic and the moving average, it follows perfectly the chart. Okay, so you can't be wrong. Even in the small position, it's very easy to open a trade using this indicator, because it tells you literally in advance. Because if you can see here in this point, the line are crossing each other, but it tells you here, which means where we are here in this red candle. Let me put larger so you can see it better. In this red candle we see that the line are converging, so and the stochastic also is trying to push the price up. So here most of the trade, what they're gonna do, they see this candle with the spike up and it's going in the downwards, but and everyone says, okay, no, it's here, clearly this is a downtrend, I enter in a sell. No, because the indicator is telling you how to avoid the mistakes that 99% of traders do. Because it's exactly like this, because they trade only on price action. When they see a green, red candle like this, they get scared, sorry, like this, they get scared and they start to enter in a short, and of course their short, it get big time wrecked. So this is how you enter in a long position. I repeat once again, you enter in a long position once you see the blue line that it's crossing the trigger line, which means the orange, and the stochastic also, it moves up, it's converging on the upside. So even in this candle that it doesn't give you no information on what's or where the trend is gonna go, you have clear information thanks to these two indicators. You have a clear information of where you can go, and in this case also, of course, you enter for your long position. From here you place a stop loss, you place a stop loss just a little bit below the this resistance zone. Let me put it clear. You can do perfectly like this, and you have your trade until your next key level. Okay, in this case I could have pushed a little bit more, but I was since I told you before, we have to have low expectation, because we are doing scalping in the 1 minute chart. So of course you cannot buy, open one trade now following this strategy and expect to close with a high profit like the day after. This is very fast. You enter and exit from a trade in few minutes. For example, this operation, it lasted for only 1 to 3, 4, 5 minutes trade, for even less than 5 minutes for this trade, and it gives you a quite beautiful profit. So you can do it in every condition, but remember that the best settings that I use are it match in the perfect way with the 1 minute chart. So you can try also in other time frame, but this is what I strongly suggest. And as I repeat once again, so all the steps are: sign up on Bybit, and for this you will find the link below in my description. Then you make the deposit, and you will add from here indicator, you will add MACD, just open indicator and type, you will find MACD. And same things with the stochastic, and you add the settings that I just gave you, so 20, 32 and 8 for the MACD, and 24 and 3 for the stochastic. And once again, I repeat you very quickly, we enter in a long position. For example, here we enter in a long position once we see on the chart, on the indicator, we see the blue line that it's crossing the trigger line, and we see the same thing in the stochastics, because it can happen that we had a divergence instead of convergence, which means that the graphic, for example, the chart is going up, but we see a different thing on the stochastic, or whether in the MACD. So we need to wait this information that confluence in only one positive things. Can be long position, can be short position, but all the indicators, including the chart, must to converge in the same direction. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Was a very a little bit longer. No, I don't know. 10 minutes video is not. It's never enough for acquire the knowledge that you need. And as I repeat always, the strategy, it works very good, but has all this other strategy that are mentioned in my other videos already. It works very good, but you need only to respect one rule, because basically I did already the research from you, I did already the back test for the indicator, I did all the dirty job, we can call it like this, but you need to respect the rules and enter in the trade. So for example, you cannot enter here just because you think that the price it will go up, just when you can see this green candle after a bunch of red candle, because it will wreck your short position or buy position or everything. So you need to wait for the right moment, on the right setup. And I know that you guys love to open a lot of trades every time, all the day, so I did this video just for you, for the 1 minute scalping chart, because you can have a lot for real. As you can see, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, a lot of opportunity for enter in a lot of trade. So this is basically what you can do. Don't risk too much in a single trade, not more than 50% of your balance, and not a higher leverage than 25%. Then if you want to also automatize and get enter in the trade 100% automatically, you also can follow my copy trading group absolutely for free. I'm not here for ask you for anything. You just need to go on cryptosniperofficial.com, sign up on Bybit, and then you will be able to contact me and receive the invitation for connect your Bybit account with my Bybit account. And every time I open one trade, it happened the exact same thing in your account, in the way to make profit all together, as you can see here, because I always post my results daily and I update daily my result here on my website, which is, I repeat again, cryptosniperofficial.com. and you will find here, just if you forget what I'm just telling you, you will find all the extraction here for enter in my community. You will sign up on Bybit, you will create your account from here, and after you completed your KYC verification and deposited your money, you will be able to reach me personally. I have no staff, no other members. You will talk directly with me, and you will be able to receive the invitation link in order to be able to follow my trade. Guys, that's it for today. I wish you very, very good profit with this strategy. Let me know in the link below when, let me know in the comments below when and how it's going this strategy, and I hope it's going very, very good. If you didn't understand nothing, please feel free to reach me on Telegram and ask me anything. I will always be available for help, because I really love to make profit all together. I built a beautiful community and we love each other a lot. We are going ahead towards one goal, that it's make profit, whether it's long position, whether it's to the moon, to the ground. If we go to the ground, we go in short. If we go to the moon, we go in long. It doesn't matter. We are making profit all together. And as you can see, this profit that I'm posting here are exactly the same of the other people that are constantly following my same trade. So if you want to do the same, once again I repeat, cryptosniperofficial.com, you will find the link below in my description, and you will be able to copy my trade 100% automatically, and you can start with a budget as low as $50, but which are not $50 that you have to give to me, because I repeat again, my service is absolutely for free, but you will deposit this money in your account and you will trade together with me in order to make profit all together. That's it for today. I ask once again, please, to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button, and see you in the next video. Ciao!